How was comp? Oh, computer science. It was solid. It was very solid. Oof. W profile picture, by the way. The boy Nicholas. Insurance if you miss your firm. Exactly. Did you start learning Maths during the summer break? I did keep learning. Oh, during year 12 summer break I was, but not year 11. Hi, Knights. Firm offers the same as your insurance, and it's not really an insurance. Need some clip farms in the match. It will. Last week left? Yes. Cheering the baby pick. Yeah, it's cold. Okay. We're live on YouTube now also. So, yeah. Oh. Wow. This guy. Yeah, factual. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Is this chat working? Oh, wait, hold on. Let me turn on the audio. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me turn on the audio. Wait, hold up. Okay. Hold on. Let me turn on the audio. Yo, wait, hold up. What's this stream I'm watching? Yo, wait, hold up. Hold up. What's this stream I'm watching? Yo, yeah. Yo, wait, hold up. It's kind of good. What's this stream I'm watching? Yo, yeah. Yo, wait, hold up. It's kind of good. Yo. 67 seconds ago. Hold up. It's kind of good. Yo. 67 seconds ago. It's kind of good. Yo. 67 seconds ago. You need to revise stats? We need to do further pure. 67 seconds. I need to see a slide stats. You will. We need to do further pure. 67 seconds. Darby, when's your kid goated? You will. We need to do further pure. Clip farming. Darby, when's your kid goated? You will. 5 weeks. Oh yeah, Darby. Darby, when's your kid goated? You will. 5 weeks. Oh yeah. Plan for the summer. Lose weight. 5 weeks. Oh yeah. Plan for the summer. Lose weight. 5 weeks. Oh yeah. Plan for the summer. Lose weight. Anyways, I'm not even clip farming, bro. I don't even have. Oh, we actually have viewers on YouTube. That's good. I'm not clip farming. I'm not actually gonna do anything. I'm your biggest fan. Thank you. I show Adam. I don't show Adam. Hi, Bristol City fan 14. How you doing, mate? You got a summer holiday? Yes, I do. I have 2 actually. We're gonna go to Greece as a family, and then we will be going to some family in Wales. I'm your biggest fan. Thank you. Isn't Further Pure done? No. Further Maths Core Pure is done, but not Further Pure. Rich people things? No. I want to see a volley outside the box Vincent Company performance. I guess, bro. I'm really scared that I will not get 100% on Further Pure. I mean, I also don't think I'm going to get 100%. I managed to fuck it up somehow, right? For real. Niche maths talk influencer refuses to do CS revision still. True. What Oxford College? University College, assuming I get in. Exams left 3. Hey Kermit. Are you playing the charity match? Yes. I will be. Okay. Might be easy 100%, hopefully. Great bounce prediction? High. Just always assume it's going to be high. W's, yeah. Is Zaki going to be on your team? I think so. Well, yeah. I think it's going to be study talkers versus non-study talkers. I don't know how it's going to work exactly. King's College, Lil Bro for maths. Oh, King's College Cambridge or King's College London? Which one? You going to UCL? No, Oxford. University College Oxford. Like a college in Oxford called UNIF. Cambridge Fairs. Oh, I did a residential there. It was great. Maths in the Underground. Are you good at football? No, I suck. But I'll learn. A little bit of tiki-taka. Yeah, King's College Cambridge is amazing. Great job. Largely says he Monday, Fairs. It's really nice, I love it there. Yeah, same here. I have Spanish? Yeah, I love, bro. Okay, let's just get started, I think. Does the stream look okay on TikTok? Yeah. Okay, let's just go. Oh, I hate how this is, like, structured. This looks terrible. Okay. So, D is equal to that. Okay. So, A, T is equal to 10, X over 4. Right? Or H over 4, H over 4, H over 4. Okay. So we're going to get 3.2. 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. Okay. Minus 0.6. 2t over 1 plus t squared.
Plus 4.4. Lots of 1 plus t squared over 1 plus t squared. Do you do comp sci? Yes. Occasionally. So glad I do decision seeing you do this. On about 200 Corpio FS1. Any advice for exam technique? As I love making super mistakes. I don't know what to say. Okay, this is gonna sound like a self-plug. Watch my calculator video and try to check all your answers, is what I'd recommend. I'm genuinely not trying to rinse it. Okay. So what, D? Yeah, fine. D is equal to over 1 plus t squared. So we're going to have 3.2 minus 3.2 t squared minus 0.6 times 2, or let's just say 1.2 t, plus 4.4 plus 4.4 t squared. D is equal to something over 1 plus t squared. D. Okay. 4.4 minus 3.2, that's 1.2 t squared. Minus 1.2 t. Plus 7.6, I think. 7.6, 3. Yeah. The way you understand me, the way you move, the way you just whisper me. Oh wait, no, should this be minor? No, okay, ignore me. Sri Lanka advanced level? Nah. Roasting yesterday was delicious? Yeah, I know. Peak song? Yeah. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to turn off the music on YouTube, otherwise they're gonna copyright strike me. Sorry. Yo, it's gotta go, bro. Sorry. Wait. Because they will strike my shit down. Okay, cool. Great. So A is equal, yeah, fine, we'll just do like A is equal to 1.2, B is equal to negative 1.2, C is equal to 7.6. So B, the time nearest minute at which D is less than 5. Okay. First drops below 5 meters. So I think we're just going to set it equal to 5. So B, 5 is equal to 1.2 t squared minus 1.2 t plus 7.6 over 1 plus t squared. 5 plus 5t squared is equal to 1.2 t squared minus 1.2 t plus 7.6. 3.8 t squared plus 1.2 t minus 2.6 is equal to 0. Cool. T is equal to negative 1.2 plus or minus the square root of 1.2 squared plus 4 times 2.6 times 3.8 all over 2 times 3.8. T is equal to... Wait, hold up. H is the number of hours, so we're not going to use T. Oxford Psychic locking in to an extent. What exams do you have left? Further Pure and Comp Sci, Paper 2, and Stats Mechanics. What do you mean the -1 thing? Sorry. Oh, you guys talking about stats? Okay, I'm genuinely just going to solve this in my calculator because I'm lazy. 3.8, 1.2, negative 2.6. T is equal to 13 over 19, comma, negative 1. Okay, so we're looking for our first solution. So T equals negative 1 is not first solution. Okay, tan H over 4 is equal to 13 over 19. H is equal to 4 arctan 13 over 19. H is equal to 4 tan inverse 2.400 hours, right? H hours. We're looking for minutes. So is it asking for the time or after midnight, right? Yeah, so it'd be, so time is 2 dot dot 0.4 times 60 is equal to, I can do that in my head probably, it's 24 or something like that, right? Yeah. Okay, that should be my answer. Let's give it a check. Are you playing the football match? Yes. So about why is Furtherfield 1 still like a week away? We're nearly there. We're nearly there, bro. We're nearly there. Just keep fucking going. What's up, my Foklet? How you doing? Yeah, I will be playing in that football match. Best Further Maths NXL YouTuber? Definitely Bison Maths. Definitely Bison Maths, Maxim. And me. There'll be some level of techers, yes. I think if you pay extra, you're able to play in some kind of match. I said to Zaki, can I play striker? I'm not sure about how the positions are working, but might be cooked. 6-7 is long. I need to bang up further if you want to be fine. I hope it's 6-4, 6-5. Yeah, same here. Bro, I still have one of every subject left, bro. It's cooked. $224. Okay, great. We got the answer. Good to see. I love it when you just do the question and you get the answer. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? When you do the question and you get the answer. 0 paper 2 content knowledge. Oh, God. What would I say? Are you good at programming and stuff? If you're really good at programming, I would say probably add a computer science. Just read up on everything. Go on add a computer science specifications and figure it out. Heavy. Yeah, fairs. Add them up front on the strike or something like that. I do A-level maths, got 5 GCSE. Cool. Work hard. I believe in you. School vision's better stats. Not brilliant at mech. Yeah, fairs. Hi, Maxim. Just be done with Further Maths brutal love. I'm horror at programming. Well, you do Python, I would assume, right? Go W3 schools, figure out how to use Python. Best YouTuber for NXL Further Maths? Bison Maths. BICENMATHS. Okay, cool. Question 1's done. Guys, I think we end it here and we just play games now, right? That's how it works. You do one question and then you play video games if you get it right. That's correct, right? Psych. We're actually going to rise for a little bit. CCBBCCA. Yeah, you'll probably get predicted an A. Non-stream examiner. No, I'm joking. Thank you for the roses, Alex. I'm like years ahead of my peers. Oh, let me turn on Tickfinity so you guys can... Okay. So, question 2. I really hate this format for shadow papers because they love to just make it weird. Let's do that. Okay, we're going to start the timer again. Further stats 1, could seriously at 275? Maybe. I don't know. Are you from London? Yes, East London. Bison Maths players is so confusing. Where's he start Further Maths? Core Pure Maths. Just look up. He has A level and then Further. They're separate playlists. One says Core Pure, one says Pure. Okay, we're gonna just keep going. Core Pure is Further Maths. Okay. A hyperbola has this equation. Have I lost it? Yo? Yo. I'm gonna... Let me just pause this. I'm gonna go on a whim here and just assume that the questions are mixed up. But this is a really weird thing. Wait. I think the questions are mixed up. Because question 2 has R, and question 1 has the E1 and the E2. Do I just switch them? when you start revising A-level maths, like, I was always doing homework and keeping up to date since, like, beginning of the year, but I started learning further maths in, like, March for year 12. Yeah, we're gonna swap the questions around, because that's weird. Yeah, okay, yeah, cool. I would definitely swap them in a real exam if I had this situation, but this wouldn't happen in a real exam. It's a shadow paper. Anyway, so we'll do B first, which feels odd. B. Okay, so E1 is equal to A squared, open bracket, oh, sorry. My bad. I'll just check this real quick. B squared is A squared, E squared minus 1. 9 is equal to 16 E squared minus 1. 9 is equal to 16 E squared minus 16. 16 E squared is equal to 25. E is equal to 5 of... Whoa. Hold up. B squared. Okay, wait. A is... Hold up. Okay, B squared is equal to A squared. AB. Hold up. Have I lost it? Okay, wait. A squared is 16. A squared is 16. Okay. Oh, wait, E is allowed to be greater than 1. E is allowed to be greater than 1. I forgot, we're on hyperbola. I was so confused for a second. Bro, what's a shadow paper? It's basically like another A-level paper. But it's like the same sort of similar questions, but with numbers changed. Core Pure and Pure the same. Further Pure has way more stuff. Some guys screaming in the background. Yeah, I hear it. Hi, Zaki. How you doing, Pookie? We love you, Adam. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate it. Okay, so E is 5 over 4 for this one, or E1. E1 everywhere. E1. I'm about to E1. Okay, cool. And now I also know that A squared is equal to... Oh, sorry. B squared is equal to A squared 1 minus E2 squared, right? Because B squared is equal to A squared 1 minus E squared. Cool. And how does this help me for anything? What the fuck? What? Okay. The foci of the hyperbola and ellipse all lie on a circle with equation of that. Okay. So I'm just gonna answer this all together, okay? I'm not gonna focus on which questions for which question. Okay, so this is for the ellipse. And this is for the hyperbola. Cool. So now I can say that my foci are plus or minus AE0, right? Oh, no. Yeah, plus or minus AE0. So A would be 4 here. So it'd be plus or minus 5. Comma 0. Okay, so R is equal to 5. Because if you think about it geometrically, thank you for the follow, by the way. Right? Yo. That looks terrible. That looks absolutely terrible. That's a circle. Right? You have your things here. Your radius must be 5. What is eccentricity? Eccentricity. Sorry, how many papers do you have left? 3. Were you always talented? I guess. Eccentricity is the measure of the ratio between the foci and the curve. So, for example, with a circle, the eccentricity would be 1, right? Right? I think so. No, ignore me. No, okay, so flip. How do I explain this? So, eccentricity, right, is the ratio of. Okay, I'm cooked, bro. Eccentricity is the ratio of the distances between the directrix, which is a line, that is given, and the foci, which are 2 points. So if you take the loci of points, where the ratio between the distance between some point and some line is some given thing. Like, okay, let's say here, right? If I have alpha, beta, if I find some thing, right? If I say that alpha over beta is equal to E, then I will get a foci of point. I'll get a locus of points, basically. Because it's true here, and it's true here. That's basically how it works. That's what eccentricity is. Test, Friday. It's really confusing, I know. It takes a while to get over, like, get a grasp of it. Revising today, we're doing some further maths, and then we'll do some mechanics later tonight. Anyways, R is equal to 5. Great. B. So. I'm really weirded out by the way that they did this. Yeah. So, B minus A is equal to 1. Oh. Okay, so I now know also that... Wait, hold up. I don't know how I lay this out, because it's kind of weirdly laid out. B is equal to A plus 1. What else can we say? We can say that AE2, where A is... Yeah, fine. AE2 is equal to 5. Right? E2 is equal to A over 5. Or 5 over A. Okay. So now I can say, from here, that B squared is equal to A squared, open bracket, 1 minus 5 over A squared. Cool. It's kind of turning out messy, and I don't even know if it's going to be worth it, but it's fine. So I can say A plus 1 squared is equal to A squared, open bracket, 1 minus 25 over A squared. Okay. A squared plus 2A plus 1 is equal to A squared minus 25. Cool. 2A is equal to negative 26. Ooh, this is questionable. I don't know if I like this answer. A is equal to negative 30. But A should be greater than 0, no? Oh, we're showing that E... Okay. We're showing some relationship between E1 and E2. Hold up. Okay, maybe this isn't what I was supposed to do. Let's go back on this. Or let's just have it here, but let's not use it. Okay. So, we're given that... Okay. A is equal to 5 over E2. Okay. Cool. Right? E1 is 5 over 4? What? I'm so confused here. Okay, let's solve for E2 and then figure it out. When is Further Pure? Friday. Do you think Grey Boundary is similar to 2024? No clue. This is Shadow Paper 2022. And I'm low-key getting cooked time-wise here. So let me actually get a move on. Okay. A plus 1 squared is equal to A squared, open bracket, 1 minus 25 over A squared. Yeah, fine. Okay. 5 over E2 plus 1 squared is equal to 5 over E2, open bracket, 1 minus... Okay. 1 over... Oh, wait. What is this? E2 squared. Okay, fine. And this would be squared, right? Because a squared. Cool. So we can now say 25 over e2 squared plus 10 over e2 plus 1 is equal to 25 over e2 squared minus... Oh, wait, hold up, yeah. 20... No. Yeah. What is it? Minus 25. Okay, let's multiply everything out by e2 squared. Yeah, so we're gonna get 25 plus 10e2 plus e2 squared is equal to 25 minus 25e2 squared. Is this live? No, it's not, mate. How do you prefer tomorrow? R2 drew 2 videos and I read the spec. It is actually live, by the way, Matthew. I thought you finished further. No, we have one more paper. Niche. I'm keeping it niche, guys. Wow. Okay, 26e squared plus 10e2 is equal to 0. Okay. 26. Okay, e2 squared. 26e2 plus 10. But this is gonna give me e2's negative, man. That doesn't work out. Damn, am I cooked? A-levels on a Friday? Yes. Okay. Is it a sign thing? Can I tell you a secret? I'm so sick of it all. Okay, let me just expand it all out real quick. So we're gonna get what? E2 is not equal to 0. 26e2 is equal to negative 10. Yeah, this is not gonna work out. 13e2 is equal to negative 5. Yeah, like this is not right, but I'm just gonna check if I can get something close to the answer. 4e1. Okay. So e1 is 5 over 4. So let's just divide by 4. 13 over 4 e2 is equal to negative 5 over 4. 13 e2 is equal to negative e1. Sorry, over 4. 13 e2 is equal to negative 4 e1. Okay. So, okay, I've kind of shown it, but there's something wrong with the signs. There's something wrong. Finish week after, D1, D2, yeah, dark. Give me a headache. I get what you're saying. Okay, so where have I messed up, man? Because E is greater than 0. I know that for a fact. It's probably a sign issue that's arisen somewhere. B squared. Okay, so we're using an ellipse equation here. B squared is A squared 1 minus E squared. Okay. A plus 1 squared is equal to A squared 1 minus 1 minus E squared. Where E is that? Fine. Cool. I'm cooked, bro. I love it when my E value is negative, bro. It's over. Something wrong here? A plus 1, right? B is A plus 1, yeah. It's not minus. I would fix my equation if it was. He was good. Xavier. Javier, however you pronounce that. W Song, thank you. God, where's my mistake? I don't like this. We're already like 3 questions worth of time in, bro. It's fine. One of them will be easy. Okay, B minus A is 1. B is equal to A plus 1. Okay. R is 5. Oh! Okay. I could say... Oh, okay. So let's try this. Let's try plus minus. Plus minus. Like, it could be negated, right? Let's try just negate it. Just negate it. Because that is valid. It's valid. It's a plus minus thing. Minus. And then this would give me, for this part... So if I said A was equal to minus 5 over E squared, or sorry, E2, then I could get minus plus and that's the answer, baby. Okay, works out. We take it, baby. We take it, baby. Oh yeah, plus minus thing. Xavier, okay, cool. What's good, brother? How's Wolverine doing, by the way? When's Further Pure 1? Friday. Okay, so is Further Pure hard? It's definitely the hardest module. Is it lagging? I don't know. You fucking tell me. Do you Uncle Bow? What the fuck does that mean? Do you Uncle Bow? Like, what could that possibly mean? Further Mech 2. Good luck, bro. Okay, now I'm a bit weirded out here because we weren't told particularly to use the negative value, and we need to get the actual solution. Are your parents chill? Yeah. Well, my mum is. I don't really... Let's not get into that kind of worms, but my mum is chill. Okay, so we just take the negation. Further Pure 1 so fun? Yeah. Oops. Why the fuck is my thing gone? We're not... Guys, we don't do this here. Are you revising the large data set? I've got some large data set knowledge. I think I should be chill. Do you know what I mean? Like... I have some in my brain. I might just run over it real quick, like just before the exam, but like, it's not that deep. This is the one, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna check the proof in the answer, in the pudding. Do you regret picking CS? No, not really. When's a Great Storm of 87? Don't know, mate. Probably 1942. Bro, Further is a foreign language. Yeah. Watch that one Bison Mass video? Yeah, fairs. Yeah, I do Further Mech, Further Pure, Zalika. How to find 2025 papers? Ask my Discord server. October. Whoa, buddy. That sounds like some that stuff. Chill out. No, I'm joking. I think. I don't know. My history knowledge is just off. Okay, yeah, cool. You know what, Dominic? If they ask me when was the storm of 87, I think I'll forfeit the fucking mark. I don't care. Have you done the textbook questions? No, not for pretty much any of it. Yeah, got it, Dominic. Zip it, chud. Alright, Max. But yeah, no, I don't really regret picking CS. Paper 1 went really well. My modules was good. Why not? Because I don't need, like... I haven't done all of them. I don't think that textbook questions are the best. I don't need to do all of them. I think past papers are better. They're more accurate. Do you need to know the large data set locations hemispheres? Yeah, you do. So what, you got Jacksonville, Hearn. Oh, wait, no, you got, okay. Herne, Heathrow. No, wait. Herne, Heathrow. No, Herne. Wait. HU. Herne, Heathrow. Letchers. No. Luton? Letchers. Something like that. But you got Jacksonville, which is in America. You have Perth, which is in Australia. You have Beijing, which is, top writing. Advice for CS. Letchers Peking. Fairs. Ville, Perth, Beijing. Yeah, fairs. Decision maths for further maths. Hella useless at degree level. Yeah, fairs. Are you gonna... Don't say that, Kermit. That's fucking weird. I'm being genuine. Don't say that. Shanghai? Yeah, bro. You don't do further stats? No. Okay. Okay, like... Okay, so... Yeah, so this line of context definitely should have been before part A. Come 5 stack Overwatch? Nah, not right now. Yeah. How do you find motivation studying a lot? I don't really study as much as some people do. I take breaks. I allow myself to take breaks. I don't always study. Like, I haven't studied much. Like, I've only just started studying. I've done 20 minutes studying today, like, at most. Outside of that, what have I been doing? I played some video games. I think I cooked some food. I went for a cycle. Scrolled a bunch of TikTok, and now I'm gonna revise. You don't need to revise all the time. I think that's what keeps me with... Oh, hi, Katia. That's what gives me motivation to study. You cycle? I use e-bikes, which is cheating, but I don't care. I like using e-bikes to cycle at fast speeds around London. It's nice. It's relaxing. It's stress relieving, I guess. You know. Okay. Next question. 5 further maths modules? I do the standard 4. Cycle last night, it was great. Fair enough, yeah. How difficult is conic sections? Definitely the hardest chapter in all of further maths, I would say, in my personal opinion. Outside of maybe further mech 1 collisions. Even then, I think it's probably the hardest. Imagine studying further? Yeah, love, bro. Further maths? No, it depends on what modules you do. Some people are done, I'm not. Retard. So, guys, let me turn this song off real quick. Oof, tough. Further mech, further stats, smogs. I don't do further stats. I want to know. Further mech 1's really cool. But I don't do it. If you don't comment on Overwatch, we'll be mad. Nah. Okay. So, with respect to a fixed origin O, points A and B have coordinates. So, A. Oh, wait, sorry. So, angle AOB. AOB, the angle between the two, is 5 pi over 6. Okay. So, we can say cos theta is equal to A dot B over mod A mod B cos 5 pi over 6 is equal to A dot B, which is going to be 2C minus 3 minus 1 over square root of 2 squared plus 2 square root of C squared plus 9 plus 1. So cos 5 pi over 6. So negative root 3 over 2 times by root 6 times by root c squared plus 9 or plus 10 is equal to 2c minus 4. Advice further pure 1, I'm struggling. I don't even know, man. Like, just do past papers, watch the R2 True 2 videos is probably what I'll say. It's definitely my worst module as well. Why did you choose those modules? Because my school does them and I wanted to join late. How come you didn't do further maths to GCSE? I was lazy, basically. How many papers further maths? 4. Wait. 4, yeah. Okay. So, 18 over 6. Oh no, sorry. 18 over 4. C squared plus 10 is equal to 4c squared minus 16c plus 16. Okay. 18 over 4 is 4.5 plus 45 is equal to 4c squared minus 16c plus 16. Are we sure our answer here? Wait, so I've squared everything. Yeah. 18 over 4. Yeah, cool. 0.5 c squared plus 16c plus 29 is equal to 0. C is equal to, solve this. This is iPad. Yeah, I use my iPad. Are you confident in your Oxford offer as of right now? I would say so, yeah. I will be honest. I put a lot of work in. I do feel like I'm pretty confident in my offer. I'm not 100%. You can never be 100% until results day comes, but I'm feeling pretty good right now. I'm feeling, yeah, very solid. Adam, you know when you did GCSE physics, how was it? I don't know, bro. I got 9.8 in combined science without much reviewing. I just got lucky, basically. I just had a really good teacher in, yeah, GCSE. I'll be so real. Oh, God, this feels wrong. There's no follow through, right? Oh, God. Okay, C is equal to negative 16 plus or minus 3 root 22. Something feels to me like this is off. So A dot B over mod A mod B. 2C minus 4 over mod A, which is root 6 mod, C squared plus, fine, is equal to that. Okay. It's going to have to do. It's a bit of a weird answer, though. I don't like it. But we'll just keep going. It's not a follow-through, luckily. Thoughts on the charity football match? I can't wait. You'll be excited. You squared wrong? We're going to do the worst case scenario you don't get any? I don't know. I don't really know. Maybe gap year? Probably not. I squared wrong? What? I checked my work. Fairs? Yeah. A-level further maths not finished? For some people it did. Not all modules finished. Okay. So. So 2 negative 1. Crossed with. C3 negative 1. Is equal to lambda lots of C negative 4, 4. Okay, so how do you do cross product? I'm going to do this in my head. So cover 1 minus 3, that's negative 2. Cover, that's negative 2 minus C, that's C plus 2. Because you negate it. 6 plus C. Oh, God, wait, have I done this wrong? Wait, okay, so C... So 1 minus 3, negative 2 minus C. Okay. So, okay, C plus 2 is equal to negative 4 lambda. C plus 6 is equal to 4 lambda. Subtract or add? Let's just let's add. So we can say 2C plus 8 is equal to 0. C is equal to negative 4. Now, would there be any other solution that works for that? I don't think so. Because this is invariant regardless of lambda. I think C just has to be negative 4. Wait, no. Okay, let me check what lambda is and see if it actually... Lambda should be 2 here. So if C is negative 4, then we're going to have negative 6 is equal to negative 4 lambda. Oh, wait, no. This doesn't work. Oh, sorry, no. Okay, no. Negative 2 is equal to negative 4 lambda. Lambda is equal to 2. So this does work because... No. No. Lambda C is equal to negative 2. This doesn't work. Oh, God, wait. Okay, my brain just cooked. Okay. So, firstly, let me just make sure that this simultaneous equation is correct. So, 1, 2, negative 4, 1, 6, 4. Okay. C is negative 8 and lambda is 2. Silly me. Why is that? What? 1, 2, negative 4. No, okay, no. Again, I'm just being silly. Holy. Okay, we're just going to write this down in the standard form. So C plus 4 lambda is equal to negative 2. C minus 4 lambda is equal to negative 6. Okay. God. 4, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. Okay. C is equal to negative 4. Lambda is equal to 1 over 2. Okay. Cool. Okay, and that does work for the final one because negative 2 is equal to 1 over 2 times negative 4. So it works. Okay, C is negative 4. Holy shit, that only took forever. I would have got the right answer, but yeah. Difference between Adam and a cheese string. I don't goons for a cheese I guess, bro. I'm not American. What does A-level mean? A-levels is a British thing. It's basically your high school exams. Oi, 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 how you doing? Stats, sorry, if people like it, stats, who like stats exist? Yeah. Can't you just do... You can do cross product on the calc if it's numbers and not unknowns. Were you revising? Further maths. What's good, Harris? I saw that duct tape video. Symmetry of domains in double integrals with odd and even functions. Fuck no. Okay, C. The area of triangle OAB is root 5. Okay, so we can say 1 over 2 modulus of OA cross OB is equal to root 5. Okay, so OA cross OB, we already figured that out. It's C negative 4, 4. Square root C squared plus 4 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 2 root 5 is equal to 20. C squared plus 32 is equal to 20. Oh, no real solutions there, buddy. Chill out. Behave. Behave ourselves. Is this wrong? I checked my cross product like 3 times. Okay, a half of the magnitude of A cross B should be the area. This should be possible. I'm finished with CS paper 2. Good luck. What are you going to do if you don't get into any uni? I don't know. I'll figure that out when I get there. But I won't. How many exams left? 3. Okay. Oh, wait, no. It was a given that. Okay, no. Okay, ignore me. Ignore me. I used the wrong part. I used the wrong part of the show that. Silly me. So we had what? Yeah, that's only true for some specific C. So -2, C+2, C+6. (2c²) plus 16c, 36, 4, that makes 44, is equal to 20. 2c² plus 16c plus 24 is equal to 0. C² plus 8c plus 12 is equal to 0. C is equal to... Oh, sorry, let's just factorize it. So we're going to get C. Oh, my mental maths is terrible. C plus 2, C plus 6 equals 0. C is equal to -2, comma, C is equal to -6. And those should be our solutions for this last part. That only took me about 10 minutes for a 9-minute question. Are you still University College of Oxford? I'm not currently at Oxford. Did you get the highest mark for GCSE maths in your year? I don't really talk to people who are in my GCSE year, I'll be real. Of my friends, of the people I know, yes, but no. Somebody in my year got higher. I think somebody got like really, really high. I got 217. I completed this paper in 6 minutes and 2 seconds you fell off. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I mean, I still got an offer for University College Oxford, and I still think I'm going there, assuming my A-levels go well, but I have not gone there. Do you know how to form a quadratic in root n with the z score? No. What about science? No, not even close. I got 9.8, and I was off by 1 mark from a 9.9. I didn't get remarked because I was lazy and didn't want to talk to my teachers. So no. I was always good, but I didn't revise until like year 12. I'll be real. 6 anonymous 7. You ready for the football match? No. Okay, please be correct. C is -4. Great. -16 plus or minus 3 root 22. Great to hear. And C is -2 or 6. -6. So yep. Okay, great. That was a really odd looking solution, but it worked out. I'll keep you my dirty little secret. Just an Oxford reject. You like that? Little... Whoo! Interesting, yeah. Do you watch England in the World Cup? No, I don't really watch the World Cup, but I might at some point. Are we going to do a training arc? Yeah, I'm going to do a training arc generally. Is an 8 still an A star? No, not really. I mean, yeah, like... Yeah, it's still a great score. I did amazing in year 11 without revising. Will 250 get me an A in further maths? Oh, most definitely. Anyone here going Durham? Not me. We're going to do a training arc generally. I need to lose some weight anyways. Like, genuinely, in exam seasons, I just get fatter and fatter. I just grow like a balloon. And, like, obviously, you know, excuses. But I have been gaining weight, low-key, not that fast. I lost some weight over the half term, and I just started gaining when I went back to school for the exams. I'm not focused on my diet right now. I would rather eat some more and do better in exams than eat less and not do better. How's been that bike ride? It was nice. Further Pure 1 Vectors is straight from Netanyahu. Yeah, I quite like it. If I send you a galaxy, can you meow? I will meow, but... Meow. Okay, you don't need to send me a galaxy, bro. It's all good. It's all good, Brody. I have a cat. I love her. Do you think 200 is A for maths? It's looking dark for you, bro. I wish you the best. Ah. Thoughts on Federation Gap here? Great idea. Me who revises 10 hours a day as a GCSE student. Fairs. I lost like 15 kilograms in GCSE season. Fairs. I just eat more, bro. I've realised I just eat more. I eat my feelings when I'm stressed. But I'm gonna, and also like I have less time to exercise because I'm worried about like, oh, I should be revising now, you know? Like I went for a cycle today, and in my head I was just thinking like, yo, it's cooked, bro. In my head I was like, yo, I need to be home revising right now. Okay, anyways, next question. Gonna get an 8, but planning on doing further maths. What do you think? Great idea. If you like maths, do further maths. If you don't, still do it. Okay. A train is traveling at constant speed until the point at which collides with an object. Oh, Nan's calling me. Hold up. Hello? How you doing? Yep, I'm currently live doing a maths stream. How are you? Is it really important? Oh, what about it? It's fine, I can take a second. Yep. I can't do the second week because I have to collect my results on the Thursday of that week. Yeah, I yeah, or the 4th, yeah, 13th or 14th. Yeah, I can't do that week anyway. I just found out when I was looking into it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. We are also coming back with her. I know she wants to have a break, but it's fine. I'll just bug her and convince her, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah. I think so, yeah. Mhm. Yeah, I mean, why don't we just leave on like a Sunday and then come back? Because we'll get less time there, but you know. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. All right, cool. Love you, Nan. Bye. Why do I have 84 viewers talking to my Nan on the phone? How we doing, chat? Turn this off? Yeah, the music's still gas, Gabs. I don't care, man. Yo, I would listen to P. Diddy if it was good. And I don't because I haven't discovered him yet. But when I do, I will listen to that. Okay, gas music is still gas. I don't care who made it. I also listen to Kanye, which is less extreme, but you know. Let's give this song though. It's kind of nice. Oh, I like this one. Okay, cool. Just teach maths. Chill out. Is that wallpaper from Firewatch? I don't even know. It just looks gas. Is that Further Pure 1? Yes. Let's go. I know it's over. Okay. I'm going to just copy, paste this question. Teardrops in my eyes are so much wetter than the space between my thighs. I don't do further maths, but this question looks doable for normal math student. Yeah, I mean, this question, okay. This question is really easy. It's basically just an iteration formula. This is like the most boring topic in all of Further Pure 1 in this module. But yeah, if you knew how to, yeah, I mean, you even have the formula given to you. You could definitely do this, I think. This would definitely be something you could do if you were given enough time. Okay. Constant speed until the point. Okay. The displacement x. Cool. The initial speed? Okay, yeah, the initial speed of the object, right? So, A. Oh, God. Space between my thighs. A, the initial speed of the train. Because t is 0, x is, wait. Yeah. I think that works. The displacement x is modeled by this differential equation, so its speed goes down as x increases. So I'm imagining like you're going into a wall and you're crashing and you're going through the wall, you know? That's sort of my idea here. So that's why I'm going to say that. B. Okay. I hate these questions. Okay. I'm gonna need a bigger table, man. So n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Note that h is equal to 0.1. Yeah. And we're doing it in seconds, right? T is in seconds. T is in seconds. We'll assume T is in seconds. That would make sense. So, any information about this? Oh god, wait, is my brain cooked? Okay. So t equals 0. X is equal to 0. Right? Collides with an object until at which, okay. Cool. T is 0, x is equal is 0. dx by dt is equal to 25. Okay, I think that's our base conditions, right? Oh, sorry, no. So we're gonna have dx by dt, x t. Yeah, fine. So t is 0, x is 0, 25. So now h open bracket dy by dx by dt. Okay. Plus y is equal to y1. No. What's your rising for? Further pure 1. You're overcomplicating. Skip to a harder question? What? AS Maths in the summer, who shall watch? Bison Maths, Abdi. 0.1 times 25 plus 0, or plus x0, is equal to x1. Make sure your variables are right, because you don't want to mess up. x1 is equal to 2.5. 2.5. Cool. T is equal to 0.1. Okay. dx by dt 1 is equal to 25 minus 2 times 2.5 squared over 3 plus 2.5 squared. I think. dx by dt 1 is equal to 25 minus, I don't know, I'm talking like I'm putting it in my calculator, I'm still loading up the main menu, minus 2 times 2.5 squared over 3 plus 2.5 squared. Not 2 point squared, 2.5 squared. Thank you for the follow, I appreciate it. dx by dt 1 is equal to 23.648 or 23.665, let's say. You also a Olympiad? No, I have not done an Olympiad. Good luck for exams, thank you. Further P1 not been, or no. Further P1's next week Friday. I have not done an Olympiad. Well, let's say 648. 6. No, I'm giving too much accuracy. 23. Oh god. 23.6486. Okay. And now what we're looking for? We're looking for x2. So, x2 is equal to dx by dt 0.1, dx by dt 1 plus x1, right? By our formula. So h lots of that plus x naught, yeah, fine. X2 is equal to 0.1 times by 23.6486 plus x1, which is 2.5. X2 is equal to... Again, I take forever on these questions. And I really hope I didn't mess up. But it's not even impossible. Do a little answer thing. 4.86. How many significant figures? Oh, that's 48. Okay. So approximation. Train travelled. Okay, thank you for that follow. Train travelled 4.86 meters in first 0.2 seconds. After colliding, after collision, fine. Just like fire in China. Yep, great, cool. Does it say... It doesn't say how much accuracy. I think they would normally ask you for a certain level of accuracy. But I said 4.86. 3 significant figures should be fine. Adam Cook off part 2. No. Maybe at some point. I'm gonna move to just doing more random BS. But I will. Not trying to seem R-worded. Don't use that word in here. Not trying to see... Yeah. Did you not already sit pure paper 1 and 2, or can you pick to do pure again? Yeah, you can do core pure 1, core pure 2, further pure 1, further pure 2. So they're completely separate. Everybody does core pure 1, core pure 2, but you can do, as extra modules, you can do more pure. You can just do pure and pure if you wanted to. Or you can do pure and mech, pure and stats, pure and whatever, stats and mech. You don't have to do more pure, but you can do literally just fully pure. Planning on posting in the summer? I don't know. We'll see. Probably more lifestyle stuff, because, I don't know. I'm probably going to learn another module and stuff, but we'll see. C1, C2, FM1 so far. I think C1, like, 71 or 70 at worst, with silly mistakes. And I couldn't finish the E to the I theta. I think Core Pure 2, 75. I think Further Mech 1, 75. So I'd guess like 221 out of 225. Streaming Origin for stats and mechs on Thursday or nah? Why would I do it on Thursday? Oh, like in the morning? Maybe. Nah, maybe. Yeah, it's on the 19th. It's on the 19th, Marvel Cake. Cool. Sweet Temptation. Prime Adam 2025. Type shit. Oh, like before Thursday? I'll do it before Thursday. I'm going to do mech tonight. Once I'm done with this paper, I'm going to restart all my streams and just change it to mechanics revision. No one else can see. Only one I know. Oh, wait, okay. Ooh, shit. Someone else. Get into the groove. Boy, you've got to prove your love to me. I see a little bit of BS on the bottom. I see a little bit of BS on the bottom of my screen. That graph looks a little bit tasty. When did Oxford year start? October 13th-ish. Maybe October 11th. What's good, Hermes? How you done? Oh, my singing's beautiful. Thank you. I get that a lot. I know you didn't say that. Yeah. I'm gonna let this one cook. Further maths, yes, for now. Will you stay in academia after you graduate uni? Probably. I don't know. We'll see. I say yes, but I really don't know. Depends how I enjoy things. You play any games? I play a lot of games. I play Osu, I play Overwatch, I play Fortnite, I play Geometry Dash, I play fighting games, Smash Bros, VR games, Beat Saber, I play Minecraft, I play a lot of games. All the time. I'm so good for Chem, I wish you the best, Jack. You got this shit. Do your own modules, would you still do the same ones? Yeah, probably. I love Further Mech 1, that's really fun. And Further Pure 1 is also really cool. Paper 2 Pure, like 92, 93. I made a silly mistake. Okay. Use calculus to show that the equation of the tangent to the point P at... okay, fine. So, 2x over 3 minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Dy by dx is equal to x over 3y. Cool. Okay, so we can say that y minus tan t is equal to, what is it? Root 3 sec t over tan t, 3 tan t, open bracket, x minus root 3 sec t. Okay, it's going to want me to probably multiply things out. Yeah, fine. So we can say that y minus tan squared t is equal to root 3 sec tx. Handwriting's terrible. I know it looks better on paper. Trust me. Minus 3 sec squared t. Oh, there should be a 3 tan squared t here. And that should be... What? Did I ever multiply it out? 3y tan t. Silly me. Okay, so now, okay, 3y tan t, minus root 3 x sec t. That's the one we tried, right? Yeah, root 3 x sec t, minus 3 tan squared t plus 3 sec squared t is equal to 0. Further stacks looks like it was conjured from hell. True. Would you? Yeah. And paper 3, I have no idea what could come up. Do you not have a predicted paper? All my friends are talking about predicted papers for chem. Do you not have those? Okay. C squared plus S squared is equal to 1. 1 plus T squared is equal to sec squared. What is it? Sec squared minus tan squared equals 1. Negative tan squared minus sec squared. Wait, no. Tan squared, what? Oh, yeah, fine. We can just sub that in. So 3y tan t minus root 3x sec t minus plus 3 sec squared t minus tan squared t is equal to 0. 3y tan t minus root 3x sec t plus 3 is equal to 0. That only took me about 10 years, but we did get it eventually. I like you. Hey, bud, can you tell me how to improve the maths? Just spam past papers. Okay, figure out how you learn content best. I find the best is to use YouTube videos that teach me. And then just do every past paper. Can you show a question? Yeah, sure. You don't revise during the day? I do sometimes. I do usually. Not right now. Yeah, I have one more further maths paper. It's on Friday. It's dark. Guys do art, geography, and maths. Some people, man. Been revising for one paper. I got the big 3. I've still got one of each of my papers left. Saving past papers to closer to exam time? Yeah, but by now. Good luck, thank you. Okay. So, the tangent intersects the directrices of H at the points Q and R. The length QR. Okay. The tangent intersects the directrices of H at Q and R. The length of QR is 4. Given that the x and y coordinate of point P are both positive, find the coordinates of the point P, giving your answer in the... What the fuck is this question? We're genuinely just seeing bullshit on my screen. But it's fine. We're going to do it. Don't worry. Dance. Gonna burn this disco. Ooh, right. Okay, so let's think about this, like, geometrically, right? So I've got hyperbola h. Oh, this is going to be fine. Yeah, fine. So it's going to look something like... Bam. Yo. Bam. That looks terrible. It's got to be more extreme, like that. Let's do like that. And that, just to look nice. Okay, the directrices. Oh, where are the directrices fall? They're inside, right? Wait. I should know this. Plus or minus A over E. E is greater than 1. Yeah, so it's inside. Yo. Cool, okay. So, directrices look something like that and that. Okay. I can just find the directrices, actually. Fine. Maths is practice? Yeah, maths is all about practice. When's your last exam? Friday. What grade badge is like for the P1? Usually like 60s-ish. Like 65 for A-star-ish. I don't know, I always round up though. And I can usually get like near full marks, at least. Okay, A is equal to root 3. Okay. So I can say that 1 is equal to 3 open bracket e squared minus 1, right? Because it's a hyperbola. B squared is equal to A squared E squared minus 1. Yeah, great. 3e squared is equal to 4. E is equal to 2 over root 3 or 2 root 3 over 3. Ooh, right. 2 over root 3, yeah, squared. Yeah, fine. Okay, that works. Yeah, fine. Okay. So directrices at x is equal to plus or minus root 3 over 2 root 3 over 3. Cold. Okay, cool. So that is correct, right? Directrices plus or minus A over E. A over E, A is that. Yeah, cool. So we're going to have plus minus 3 over... Or sorry, root 3. Oh, see, look. Like, I could do this in my head, but I'm going to just play it safe. 3 over 2. X equals plus or minus 3 over 2. Okay, cool. Now, damn, this might be further maths paper. No, this is AS level BTEC maths. I'm BSing. Yeah, it's a further maths paper. Okay, the length of QR is 4. So the point P is somewhere up here, right? Okay. So we've got something like that. So this distance here will be 3, right? So then we can say that this here... I like where this is going. BTEC? No, I'm BSing. How many hours do I need to tug a day to get to Oxford? At least 4. Okay, cool. So that must be 3 because we got x is equal to minus 3 over 2. X is equal to 3 over 2. So that must be 3, right? Fine. So we can say that the square root... Well, we're going to have basically 3... And what is it? The length of Q and R is 4. So this is 4. So we're going to have the square root. I feel like that feels wrong, but it's fine. Fuck it. Do I just find the... Wait. Okay, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do here, which I think makes more sense to me. Why don't I find theta, right? I'm going to use theta. Okay. No, okay. Let me just figure out this. So square root of 4 squared minus 3 squared. So that's root 7. Okay. So we're going to have root 7 and 3 is the gradient, right? So root 7 and 3. M is equal to changing y over changing x, root 7 over 3. So dy by dx is equal to root 7 over 3. So I can now say that, what was dy by dx? X over 3y is equal to root 7 over 3. Cool. So I can now say that x is equal to root 7y. Okay, how does that help me? So for that point, if I sub in values, I can just plug shit out of here. This will be fine. So 3y tan t. So okay. Dun-dun-dun-dun. My buddies and I getting real well now. Return on PC this time, Fairs. Adam's an apple. True. Adam's scared of Apple. Adam the apple. Oi, I'm predicted 3 U's. Can I get into Oxford? Yeah, mate. I'll make an email. I'll make a call. When's the paper for BTEC Maths? It's alleged. Okay. So I need to do something with this. I have an equation for y and x. Oh, you know what could be easier? Why don't I say that? Hear me out. Yeah, fuck this stuff. Okay, wait. dy by dt over dx by dt is equal to root 7 over 3, right? And then I'll get values for sec and I'll get values for tan. Okay, cool. So now I can say, what's dy by dt? dy by dt is sec squared t over is equal to root 7 over 3. Root 3, what is it? Sec t cos t? Sorry, sec t tan t, I think. Sec differentiates as sec t tan t, right? So sec t tan t is equal to root 7 over 3. Sec squared t over tan t is equal to root 7 over 3. And then we'll just solve all of this. Oh, sorry, over root 3. It's just equal to root 7. Oh, wait. Hut in. Okay. Cos t over... Wait, what's sec squared over tan? I should know this, probably. With a little bit of... Is that not just cot t? It is. I know it's cot t, but I'm just going to play it safe. We're going to say... cos t over sine t cos squared t. Right? Because cos sine... Yeah, fine. Is equal to root 7 over root 3. Thank you. No, wait. Whoa. Wait, how does it multiply out? No. Sine t cos t is equal to root 3 over 7. I can't lie, bro. Rise applied. Love. Doesn't the sec cancel out? Yeah. Wait, am I stupid? No, I think this works. Okay, and then we'll just use double. I rate how you're not arrogant, unlike some... What's up with the hate on Arian, bro? Was he being... What did he do? That is my boy. Will you study over the summer? Yeah, probably for fun. Rick rundown on quartile. Just watch the Bison Math summary, I'll say. Don't ignore people. I'm not ignoring people, I'm just focusing on the questions. Pure 2, probably like 92-ish, 93. You shouldn't be allowed to take maths. This is conic sections 2. But I feel like I could be wrong here. So a half sine 2t is equal to root 3 over 7. So sine 2t. Oh god, I hate this. What can I do with this? Because I need to find the exact values of... Oh, it's fucked. tan t and root 3 sec t. That's definitely not going to give me some inverse shit. Maybe figure out cos 2t. Okay. Is that even... That's greater than 0. That doesn't even make sense. Okay, this is wrong. Something's wrong here. Something is definitely wrong here. Okay, I fucked up. I fucked up somewhere. Let's just go back a little bit. Let's go back. Because there is a mistake that's been made and I need to figure out where. dy by dt is sec squared t. Okay, fine. Dx by dt is root 3 sec t tan t. Root 3 sec t tan t. Okay. Oh, yeah, sec cancels out. My bad. Somebody said that, but I just ignored it. Loki. No, I'm sorry. Okay, so we can say that cos over... Okay, so now I can say that cos over sine cos equals root 7 over 3. Okay, cool. T. I can say sine t is equal to root 3 over 7. You're finished, yeah. What topic is hyperbolic triggering it? Hyperbolics, calculus, this topic. You're good looking, which way do you swing? Sorry if 2 forward x. I'm into women. I felt like you're overcomplicating the question, maybe. But I'm gonna get there anyway, doesn't matter. Cos t is equal to square root of 1 minus 3 over 7. Cos t is equal to square root of 4 over 7. Cos t is equal to 2 over root 7. All good, Mush. All good. So, x is equal to... Okay, so the coordinates are going to be... We're going to get... X is root 3 over cos t. And y is equal to... what is it? Root 3 over root 7 over 2 over root 7. Okay. Chords of p, okay. X is equal to root 3 over 2 over root 7. Okay. So chords of p are going to be root 21 over 7, comma, root 3 over 2. Where m is equal to 21, n is equal to 3. Let's check. Please don't be wrong. Keep doing tricks on it, love. I don't go to Harvard? No, Oxford. Where'd you go for glasses? I went to Specsavers, I had a bad experience. I go to Vision Express, bro. Should have gone Specsavers, huh? To be fair. Oi, we got it! They did it a different way. Ooh. I was thinking something like this at first. But I much preferred the gradient method. I feel like gradient made more sense. Don't say when I went to Specsavers, I got touched. Love, man. We're all taking the mic, bro. Glazing? What do you mean, bro? Chill out. Okay, we got it. So, tough. Happy. Good result. I'm laughing because I'm happy about me getting the answers, okay? I'm sorry you had a bad experience with Specsavers, and I'll make sure not to do it next time. You do like Adam Does Maths? Yeah, I know, that guy's really good on YouTube. I've heard he, should get subscribed to... There's 8 questions! Why is there 8 questions? I thought there was 7. Yo, the time is gonna cook me. I do have extra time for context chat, and I was yapping to chat a little bit, so we're gonna make excuses. Oh yeah. Let me just screenshot question 6. This one will be easier. Is your name Chris Griffin because you look like Chris Griffin? No, my name's Chris Griffin because I was on OSU one time, and I realized that the name Chris Griffin wasn't taken. You look like my pal Samuel Shrimpton. That's crazy. How would yeah, that's crazy, man. Anyways, conic sections, although it is definitely the hardest topic, I would say, in Further Pure, it's really interesting. It is really like, it's really cool, because the questions can be really tricky, but they're also really satisfying to get, you know? Like, you usually get like a free 3 marker at the beginning, like a proof for like a derivative, and then this part is just really hard, and you got to actually use your head. It's beautiful. Callum, are you in this live? Go revise instead of being #1 gifted. Your cooks, mate. How you feeling, CS Paper 2? I'm feeling solid. I'm feeling, yeah, I'm good. I feel like I'm gonna be fine. We'll see. But I'm pretty confident with coding. We are not banning Callum. It was his birthday like a week and a bit ago, mate. Okay, let's chill out. Not too much on Callum. Approximately a week ago was his birthday. Okay, we just move on. Callum just private messaged me saying he's gonna kneecap my nan. Easiest A level? Gonna have to go against this. Gonna have to go against that take, just slightly. All of your friends are live together. Oh, are they? Good for them. I hope they enjoy it. I prefer to do my own lives because I was chatting to them all day earlier. I was genuinely in a voice call with like Zaki and Reza and all of them, man, earlier. That's how I'm assuming that's what you mean by all my friends. And we were chilling. It was fun, but I don't really get any work done when I'm talking with them. Although I do enjoy talking with them, you know. If you want to join their live, do what you want. But I'm just gonna keep doing work here. Okay. So let's actually do the question. So the points P, Q, and R have these position vectors, respectively. Determine a vector equation of the plane that passes through all 3 points, giving your form, answering the form of this. Okay, cool. So, let's do PQ, which is going to be Q minus P is 2 minus 3, 2, minus 3, 1, 4, pi, oi, cheeky, negative, negate it. And what is it? PR is equal to 3, 4, 0, minus 3, 1, 4. Oh, wait. Okay, fine. No, we're fine. This is an odd question. The coordinates of the point of intersection of the plane with the y-axis. Am I stupid for saying, oh, with the y-axis? No. No. Just set x equals 0, y equals 0, no? We'll get onto that. We'll figure that out. So this is a weird question, but it doesn't seem that bad. So PQ is going to be -1, -4, 2 minus 4, 6. PR is equal to 0, 3, -4. Okay, so what is it? R is equal to A, which is, let's say 3, 1, -4, fine, plus lambda of -1, -4, 6, plus mu of 0, 3, -4. Okay, cool. And let's do part B. Y-axis, yeah, x equals 0 and z equals 0, Faizan. What the F is this BS? I'm here for you. I don't need your sidekicks. Thank you, Jack. I love you, Jack. Big up. You missed -4, did I? Maybe. I don't think so. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, anyway, so x equals 0, y equals, so y-axis, we can say that x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. So I can say that 0, 0y, 0 is equal to 1 minus 4 lambda plus 3 mu, 3 minus lambda, yeah, fine, -4 plus 6 lambda minus 4 mu. By the way, somebody said what the F is BS. It's just further pure 1. It's a further maths module. Thank you for the follow. If you don't do that, don't feel worried. It's supposed to be hard. Okay, so now we're gonna use our equations for XY. Equations for XZ. So I can say lambda is equal to 3, and I can say that negative 4 plus 6 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 0. And then from there, we can say a little bit of BS about lambda is 3, so we have 14 minus 4 mu is equal to 0. Mu is equal to 14 over 4. Mu is equal to 3.5. Fine. That's a terrible one. Cool. And now from there, we can say that y is equal to 1 minus 4 times 3. That's a terrible x. It looks like a lambda. Plus 3 times 3.5 is equal to 1 minus 12 plus 10.5. I should be able to do that in my head, but I'm a bit lazy. I think it's negative 0.5. 1 minus 12 plus 10.5. Yeah. Equals negative 1 over 2. Point of intersection with the y-axis. Coordinates, make sure if you're asked to give coordinates, you always give them in this form. Don't give them as a unit, as a vector, sorry. Exam season made bro lose weight. I don't know about lose weight. I've been gaining weight a little bit recently, like a couple. Yeah, I know, I was told. I spoke to Zaki about it. Let's see if I was correct. Oh, fuck me, I'm wrong. Ignore me, I'm wrong. Negative 3 over 5? Whoa. Okay, wait. So negative 1, negative 4, 6, 0, 3, 4. Okay. Whoa, this is negated. This should not be negated. That's really odd. Wait, what? 3, 4, 0. 3, 4, 0. 3, 1, negative 4. Oh! Silly me. A lot of follow throughs, but silly me. Exam is not over. Yeah. I missed the 4. Cool. Silly me. Minus. So that will probably be like 1 mark for that, I would guess. Because I found 2 of the vectors. Yeah, fine. Find any 2 vectors. Don't even know how I get that. It's an M1. I would imagine I'd get 1 mark for this. I'm not even sure. Do you shower or just revise? Occasionally I revise. And then on Wednesdays, on leap years, when February 29th is on a Wednesday, I shower. But only then. What's your BMI? Terrible. Like, it's actually horrible. I'm low-key just giving myself the marks to make my feelings better. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's just minus 1. I can tell X. Thanks. It's not hard to believe? Yeah. Core Pure's over? This is further pure. This isn't Core Pure, and I didn't make a silly mistake. This could definitely show up in Core Pure, I think, though. Definitely. But obviously, you know, that's sort of past us now. So it should be plus 4. Plus 4. Plus 4 mu. Plus. Negative. And it'll be negative 43 over 2. Silly me. Have you tried revising on a treadmill? I have. I actually have. I did a treadmill stream before. I do actually have a treadmill, and I asked my mum the other day if I can bring it into this room, but she said, no. Take me out tonight. I'm not gonna join Ash's live. No. I'm revising. Yeah. doing my own thing for a little bit. Okay, minus 2 marks. Annoying, but it's fine. And let me just signify that on my actual marks. Take me out tonight. I'm gonna just screenshot. Oh, we can just do this on the next page. Okay. Next question. Okay, so this is a sketch that we're given. It touches. Okay, great to know. Exactly 3 points are shown in figure 1. Okay, so. Thank you for the follow, by the way. So, modulus of x squared minus 5. And y is equal to q minus px. Okay, cool. So it has 2 solutions. Okay. So for negative, that's terrible. Terrible. Modulus. 1 solution. So I can say that 5 minus x squared is equal to q minus px. 1 solution. Shit question. Yeah. Really dodge your bullet dropping A-level maths. This is A-level further maths players channel. This is like as hard as it gets, really. I will tell you. I don't know. I think A-level maths isn't that, but I think A-level maths is low-key worse than this. Just because they can ask you whatever. I feel like I'm more prepared for further maths. I've definitely. Why is it negative x squared? Because it's a modulus question. And I'm considering this route. So when I'm taking this route here, the modulus bit flips it. So if there was no modulus, it would look like that. But because there is a modulus, we negate it to find the negative solution of the modulus. Further pures on Friday. But yeah, don't worry. If you don't do further pure 1, then you don't need to worry about this. Yeah. So p squared minus 4 times q minus 5. Yeah, 4ac. P squared is equal to 4q. Oh, God. 4q minus 20. Oh. P squared minus 4q plus 20 equals 0. That's a show that. Great. Done. Given that q equals 3p, determine value of p and q. Okay. Q is equal to 3p. P squared minus 12p plus 20 is equal to 0. What factors of 12? I'm just going to do this on a calculator. I'm lazy. This has no real solutions. That is odd. Minus. No, it does. It does. It does. Ignore me. Yeah, fine. P is equal to 10. Oh, okay, let's just write this. P minus 10. P minus 2 is equal to 0. P is equal to 10. P is equal to 2. And then we're going to figure out why one of them doesn't work. Join HubChat. Modulus function is so useless. Whoa, not too much. What's your Discord? Do you mean my server or my account? My account is just Chris Griffin Osu, same as every other platform. Unless you're on YouTube, then it's not Adam Loves Maths, but my thing is Chris Griffin Osu. You can probably find that name somewhere. Oh, I've just transferred to my face cam. Guys on TikTok just got 2 of me. Pause. Come play Overwatch? No. Discord servers in bio. My Discord is at Chris Griffin Osu. Okay. So yeah, the value. Okay, fine. One of these isn't going to work for some reason. Why is that? Would it be greedy to find the gradient? I think it would. We don't need to find the gradient, right? For some reason, one of these doesn't work. Why is that? Um. Okay, fine. Let's just sub it in. So y equals px plus q. Or sorry, y equals q minus px. Y equals 3p minus px. Right? 3p minus px. I understand where this is gonna go now. Which says easy since there's less thing that can come up per paper, so it's more predictable. Music is louder. Do you want me to turn it down? I can turn it down. Could I get this question in A-level maths paper? No, you cannot. You do not need to know how to handle inequalities of this kind in A-level maths. It's not there's less things. It's just that the questions are more direct, I feel like. They just want to BS you, you know? In A-level. In my opinion. Banger. Yeah. Okay. P equals 10, P equals 2. Not gonna hear. I just love the song Half-Fez. I would play it on YouTube, but they'll copyright claim me. Do you do further pure 1? If you do, you're kind of cooked, low-key. No offense. No offense, no offense, no offense. You can fix it. Okay, anyways. If P is equal to 2, y-intercept is 6. That doesn't really fucking help, does it? Because that's going to be true regardless. Okay. Okay. Why did we reject one of the values? There's going to be some reason. Okay, this is going to be like a really bad way to do it. Was further rank light? I would say so. Applied. Okay, on Thursday, I'm feeling good. Okay. This is greedy. Y is equal to negative 5 minus x squared. Okay. So at some point of intersection. dy by dx is equal to negative 2x. Okay. M is equal to what? Negative p. Okay. So either okay, I see where the contradiction comes here. Okay, cool. So okay. Gradient of tangent is equal to negative p. So negative 10. For this to be true, so if p equals 10, then if dy by dx is equal to m, then negative 2x is equal to negative 10, x is equal to 5. Okay. But that would be a positive solution. Yeah. Okay. For modulus to be negated, comma, x minus 5, x squared minus 5 is less than 0. X is less than, I guess you can say mod x, let's just say root 5. Right? Fine. As modulus of 5 is greater than root 5, contradiction. Therefore, p is not equal to 10. Thank you. P is equal to 2. Okay, great. P equals 2. Q is what, 3p? So Q is 6, fine. Okay, cool. And now we're just going to solve this fully. Are you a positive parabola? Something like that. So normal maths school only teaches further maths in year 13? At some schools, yes. All your Samson pattern, they've been going well. They're not all finished, though. Thank you for the follow, F girl. Revise? No, who revises, bro? Do I look like a dork to you? What? Okay. Magnitude of x squared minus 5. C. Magnitude of x squared minus 5 is equal to q minus px. Q minus px. Well, y is equal to q minus px. Okay, cool. So, first, okay, so the negative solution where dy by dx is equal to negative 2. So x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so that's our first solution. Okay, positive solutions. We can say that x squared minus 5 is equal to q minus px tangent 1 solution. Horrible handwriting. So q is 6. Okay, so x squared minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 2x. X squared minus 2x, plus 2x minus 11 is equal to 0. There's no factors to 11. This would be some BS root thing. I don't care. 1 to negative 11. X is equal to negative 1 plus or minus 2 root 3. So solutions are going to be x is equal to negative 1 plus 2 root 3, comma, x, let's do it in union, well, I'm feeling greedy. In union with x is equal to negative 1 minus 2 root 3. In union with x is equal to 1. Negative 1. Wait, what? No, hold up. X is 1, not negative 1. Chill out. X is 1. Holy, that could have been a bad mistake. Do you write in large? Is your handwriting big IRL? No, I don't really write that big in real life. One sec, I'll rearrange this so it looks better. I don't actually write this big on paper. It's just how I write on tablets. I don't know why. Can't help it. My handwriting isn't that bad in person. Trust me. Let's hope I got the answer. Oh yeah, baby. Hoo-yee. We take those. No reason needs to be given. Okay, interesting. Cool. Full marks on this paper, on this question, not this paper. I made a mistake. Are you mad because of the videos I sent you? I don't really check my DMs like that. Going into further next year from year 11, is it as hard as it sounds? No, you have 2 years to do something. You'll be fine. Bison Maths, just start pre-learning content. 40-50 if I average 30 in 4 days. Good luck, James. What app are you using? I'm using GoodNotes and Air Server. And OBS and TikTok Live Studio. I have a pretty complex setup for this whole thing. Because I'm streaming to TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. So it's a lot of sort of stuff. But, yeah. Let's shrink up. A-levels have not finished. I have further maths on Friday. Further Pure 1. It's an optional module that I do. When I say optional, I mean, it doesn't mean I don't have to do it. It means that I chose to do this as opposed to another one. iPad, when it comes to iPads and phones, I tend to say that generally, and I know I'm using an Android phone and I will upgrade to an iPhone at some point, just get the newest one that's cheapest. So I have a base model iPad 16, and I have an off-brand Meta pen, which I got from Amazon. Don't spend too much on an iPad. You're not going to use the Pro features. You're not going to use the Air features realistically when you're studying. How are you feeling further Pure 1? I'm feeling great. I've really given myself a very solid, what's the word? Bottleneck? No, that's not. That's the opposite of the word. Headroom. I've given myself some good headroom, I think is the word. To be able to lose some marks on further pure 1, given I've done pretty well in everything else. How different is using an iPad compared to writing a paper and real exam? Writing paper and real exam? I don't know. Did you select your modules as your school pick for you? I joined Further Maths really late, and so I just picked the modules that everybody else did to make it as easy as possible for the school to want to take me. We will be getting straight U's. We're getting U stars, buddy. Wiggle room, that's the word. Thank you. Comfort blanket. Okay, I realized that's what you meant. I thought you were just saying some weird stuff. Baseline? What do you mean baseline? I mean, okay, right now, I think my marks, I got in the first paper, like 71 out of 75. Second one, 75. Third one, 75. Fourth one, we'll see. Adam, you joining the match? I have been invited. I will be joining the match. I will be joining the football match. On August 9th. How's the hay fever? I don't really have hay fever right now. I'll be honest. How late did you join? I started learning it in like March. I revealed to the teacher that I'd secretly learnt it in just before the Easter half term. So, yeah. And then I actually joined like a little bit after that. Like after the Easter half term and stuff. Stacks explanation questions are frying me. Good luck. Just do all the past papers. Eventually it should click. What do we think about the new black shirt, by the way? You like this? Ooh, I'm feeling cheeky. It's like a different material and shit. Apply to Stream University, you're getting yeah, love, Sarah. Good one, yeah? For context, in my Oxford interview, one of the interviewers complimented my Rick and Morty poster and said, "Oh, my little brother watches that," and I wanted to actually just die. I'm joking. I didn't want to. That was sarcastic. Oh, I'm gonna get restricted. When you start probably looking like halfway through year 12. Like 2 months ago in year 12. Maybe 3 months ago. 3 months ago, year 12. 15 months ago. Okay. Let's just finish this paper and hopefully we don't lose a bunch of marks. Ideally. I do have extra time for context chat, so yeah. Oh, okay. So we're doing a little Taylor series. Cool. So. Oh, okay. First we're doing the L'Hopital's rule. I like that. Oh, I've done a question similar to this before. Wait, no, have I? Okay, use differentiation to determine the Taylor series of ln x squared minus 3 in ascending powers of x minus 2 up to and including the term x minus 2 squared. Sure. So, f of x is equal to ln of x squared minus 3. F prime of x is equal to 2x over x squared minus 3. I'm going to have to do some long thing for this. U is equal to 2x. V is equal to x squared minus 3. V prime is equal to 2x. U prime is equal to 2. F prime of x is equal to VU prime minus UV prime. So, no. VU over V squared. So, VU prime minus UV prime over V squared is equal to, I only need to value this at a point, so I'm just going to leave it as is. X squared minus 3 squared. VU prime, so x squared minus 3, open bracket. U prime, which is 2, minus 2x, lots of 2x. So 2x squared, I guess we could write that as. Okay, cool. So, f of 2 is equal to ln 2 minus, ln 1 equals 0. F prime of 2 is equal to, I've been recommended Further Maths all of a sudden. How were the Corpio papers this year? It went really well for me. I think full marks in Corpio 2 and in Corpio 1, I think I made a few silly mistakes. It was overall really good. You said yesterday that you're venturing out your clothes instead of wearing black, but I'm wearing different materials and different types of clothes. These are, although it's the same color, this is a buttoned up shirt. And look, it's like, it's kind of fancy, okay? It's not fancy, but, you know, for me, it's fancy. It's got, like, you know, the little flaps and stuff, okay? It's nice, it's comfortable, it's a different material. Why'd you pronounce lun like that? Because it's the natural log. LN, lun. Try to do a question without glasses. What's it with the glasses? Why is everybody talking about my glasses? But yeah, Corpio was great this year, I think. F prime of 2 is going to be 4 over 1. So 2 times 2 over 4 minus 3 is equal to 4. F prime prime of 2 is equal to, what is it? So 1 open bracket 2 minus 16 over 1. Right? 2x whole squared. That's 16. 2 minus 6. Okay, fine. F prime prime of 2 is equal to negative 14. So, f of x, or let's say, okay, learn x squared minus 3 is approximately equal to 4x minus 7x squared. I don't know if I have to sub it into the formula. Whoa. Oh, not x, sorry. 4x minus 2 minus 7x minus 2 whole squared. Cool. I forgot product rule existed. Yeah, Fez. This is do not say Corpure in full form. Love. When did you wear glasses? Bro, what's up with this? When you start taking math seriously in general, mid-year 12. Same time. I didn't take anything serious until then. Hardest topic in Corpure, it was probably vectors, but I got... Oh, for me it was probably linear transformations and matrices, but it's just practice. After A-levels finish, you still be doing the past papers fun during the summer. Not these ones. I might learn more content, and I will definitely do... I have, like, some support programs from Oxford that they are going to make me do. Opportunity Oxford stuff. So, yeah. Pure 1 A-level maths, I think around 92, 93. Okay. Cool. B. Okay. What? Oh, okay, fine. So, lim x approaches 2 of learn x squared minus 3 over x minus 2. Okay. Cool, and then it says show that, fine. So we're going to have the lim x approaches 2 of 4x minus 2 minus 7x minus 2 squared over x minus 2 plus ... whatever, don't care, x minus 2, limit as x approaches 2 of 4 minus 7x minus 2 plus ... is equal to 4 minus 7x, 2 minus 2 plus ... is equal to 4. I don't know about my notation here. I'm assuming we're fine. Hence shown. I also feel like I should add another intermediary line somewhere real quick where I actually show me using the formula. So I'm just going to do this real quick. So it'll be something like ln x squared minus 3 is approximately equal to 0 plus 4x minus 2 over 1 factorial minus 14x minus 2 squared over 2 factorial. And I just want to show that, just to show that I use the formula. You get Oxford Maths offer? Yes, I did. Yeah. Do you think 70-ish for paper 1 and 81 in paper 2 is enough for an A? Yeah, probably. Gonna be my best paper, probably 8. Yeah, I think you'll be fine, Jack. You could even get A-star, even though you couldn't. Wait, could you? No, you probably couldn't. Easiest further maths modules? I think further mech 1 is great. It has high grade boundaries, though, and it's pretty tricky. Like, you have to get used to it. But I actually really like it. I don't think further pure 1. I've heard D1 is really easy, but it's kind of boring. How are you not tired yet? I don't know. Zach will get tired after 2. Chill, not too much for my boy. How does school teach further pure 1? I don't know. They taught it after all the other further content. Oh, no, they didn't. I don't know. I wasn't there for the AS teaching. And they just started doing all the content. They don't really have an order. Well, they do, but it's not in module order. D1, most boring thing ever I've heard. I would say further pure, further mech, because it has the most resources available. You just gotta be skilled, basically. Okay. Lose the Hobbitals rule. Okay, so C. Lim x approaches 0 of 1 over x minus 1, was it? X minus 1 sine 4x cot 3x? Yeah, fine. Okay. CP3 tomorrow. Yeah, love, bro. So we're just doing Corpio on Sunday, yeah? Of tan 3x over x minus 1 sine 4x equals lim as x approaches 0. I'm going to separate the sine thing just to make it easier. X sine 4x minus sine 4x. Okay. X equals 0. We're going to get 0 over 0. L'Hopital's rule. Indeterminate form. So gonna get lim x approaches 0 of 3 sec squared 3x over sine 4x plus 4x cos 4x minus 4 cos 4x. Okay. Is equal to 3 sec squared of 0 over sine 0 plus 4 open bracket 0 cos 0 minus 4 cos 0 is equal to 3 over 4 but negated, and that should be my final answer, hence given, I guess. Please be correct. Oh, is this another fucking question? How many questions are on this fucking paper? What the Yo, okay, sorry for my language. Are we serious? I thought it was over. Okay. Bro, I was all happy and stuff, man. Okay, so there's another question, it seems. Why are you doing further pure 1? Because I have the paper on Friday. Congrats, mate. Definitely reckon you should check out Markov chains and some other things. In the summer, it's fun and interesting. 100% not biased since pure from being cooked by analysis fairs. I can't lie. Yo, I was thinking, like, why don't I go out? I don't even know what a Markov chain is, I'll be so real, but I've heard of it. I was genuinely cycling today, I was thinking to myself, yo, what if I got a chain that was like a Markov chain? I don't know what a Markov chain is, but like, if there is one, I will get one. Maybe. If I learn what it is and I enjoy it. Bison isn't playing. I know, you've told me, and stop fucking advertising it, okay? Because if you tell people that he's not there, then they're going to be annoyed that he isn't there. So, stop. Okay. Cool. What exam board? Edexcel. I have the paper on Friday. Yes, it's my last paper. Edexcel. No, I know it's already been said, but if you just keep talking about it, then it's going to be in people's head. I have to learn that in year 2 for my degree. Fairs. What do you have tomorrow? Is it not Sunday tomorrow? It's Sunday tomorrow. I also do Excel. Oh, you probably do distinction or decision. Head to bed now. Thank you. Have a nice night. How do I feel I got more than you in further without the CG50? I don't care. You didn't. What do you mean? There's no way you got more than 220. I mean, there is, but, you know, you didn't. Anyways, let's finish the actual paper, because I've just been fucking doing nothing. Okay. Oh, yeah, I don't do decision. I do further pure. Further pure's on Friday. People who do decision 1, decision 2, or anything with like a 2, finish the week after. Okay. So, A. What? Okay. Whoa, is my brain just cooked? Wait, hold on. Where's Y in here, man? Whoa. This question is wrong, I think. No, wait. Okay. Wait. No, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Okay, dx by dt is equal to e to the t. Okay. I'm cooked. Where do you get the y from? That's what I'm trying to figure out, bro. I do further stats and mech, and I'm sure I got... Okay, good for you, man. When's the paper? Friday. I feel like my brain's gone, bro. Yeah, it's completely different content. Okay, I'm gonna just check the answer real quick. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got the answer for that one. What? Am I cooked? Oh, okay, I understand it. Okay, yo, I did check. That's cheating. I did check. I don't care. I'm still gonna count the marks. I haven't done these questions in forever. So yeah. 60 in paper 1, can I get an A? If you do really well in paper 2, then yeah. Paper 3. Do you remember all the stats? Yeah. Okay, yo, I haven't done a question like this in forever. That's why I cheated. I don't care. dy by dt is equal to dy by dx multiplied by dx by dt. dy by dt is equal to dy multiplied by e to the t. dy by dt is equal to dy by dx x, hence shown for I, right? Silly me. What college you at? I'm at Univ, University College. Assuming I get in, obviously. How long do you study every day? I don't know. It depends on the day. I've only done a couple hours today, but it's usually like 8 hours total, including school time. Hidden quadratics? No, basically it's just chain rule. So, the whole topic sort of centers around using substitutions in differential equations. I've seen you on TikTok. That's cool, Jack. It's all about using substitutions in your differential equations. So you start with like, basically the idea is you start off with like a basic statement and then you fix it. You're so tantalizing. Thank you. When's your uni starting? October. Assuming, yeah. October. Okay. D squared y by dt squared. Right? Yeah. Is equal to dy by dx multiplied by dx by dt plus d by dt of dy by dx multiplied by x. D squared y by dt squared is equal to dy by dx multiplied by dx by dt. Okay. Plus d squared y by... Wait, what? Yeah. dx squared multiplied by dx by dt. Oh no, dy by dt? Yeah, dx by dt. Because if I was to differentiate y with respect to x, or y squared, then I would differentiate d by dt. Yeah, I'll figure out. Differentiate with respect to the correct variable. No, with the variable given, and then multiply by... Yeah, fine, that works. Dy by dt squared is equal to x dy dt plus d squared x squared multiplied by x squared. Hence shown. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just write out this. X times e to the t. D squared y by dx squared is equal to what? X squared d squared y by dx squared plus x dy by dt. Thank you for that, by the way. How do you write if you want? You can't be asked. I usually just go on stream. What uni you firmed? Oxford. All my watching is impressive. Thank you. Integrals are differentiation but 3 times harder. More than 3 times. It depends. Sometimes the chain rule only applies to one part. I get confused. Yeah, this is long. Did I get 9 maths? Yeah. Okay. So that's shown, right? That's a hence shown. Okay, cool. X equals e to the t to show the differential equation. This can be written in that form. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna replace every dy by what do I have? Oh, I don't like this. Okay, like although this is wait. I'm supposed to see it now, ain't I? Am I not? Okay. So B. Okay. Diff equation can be written as x squared d squared y by x dx. Okay. X squared. Okay. Plus x dy by dt. Okay. Minus 5x dy by dt. Oh, sorry. Wait, what? Whoa. No, wait, hold up. Hold up, buddy. Okay, what do we do from here? D squared y by, wait. Whoa. Okay, this should be a t. Firstly, that definitely should be a t. Okay, let's just make sure we haven't fucked up. Still doing maths? Yeah. You my inspiration? Thank you. What example did you do for maths at Excel? Oh, brother. Why did someone just say, oh, brother? You're so nonchalant for that, bro. Okay. I hate when I have to do it backwards. Okay. So, there's gonna be, like, leftovers, but I can figure that out. Basically. Okay. I just want the differential equation on the correct page so I can actually see where it is. Okay. X squared dy by dx. Okay. X squared d squared y by dx squared. Okay. Minus 4x plus 6y equals ln x. Okay. I thought you finished A levels? No, I have another week. Econ Tuesday, third maths and maths on Tuesday. Should I just give up? What? Give up? No. Holy handwriting, I know, right? Okay. D squared y by dt squared is equal to x squared dy by dx squared. Okay, plus x, lots of the expression for dy by dt, which is x dy by dx. What? Wait. You know what? Okay. It looks a little bit ridiculous, but we'll see. Wait. No. Bro, I'm so fucked. Wait. Okay. Let's just take a second to think. How you not scared of cycling at 12? I don't know. Why would I care? Bro, I've just got to start, like, replacing things the way I think it should go. Okay. So. D squared y by dt squared minus x dy by dt. Okay. Minus 4x dy by dx plus 6y equals ln x. Okay, great. And that's just by subbing in the first thing. Okay. dy by dx. What is dy by dx, Adam? Let's figure that out. dy by dx is dy by dt over x. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt 1 over x, lots of that. So now we're going to get d squared y by dt squared minus x dy by dt minus 4 dy by dt. Okay, this is fucked. This is definitely fucked now. The x should cancel somehow. Wait. Why does the x cancel? Oh, by dx, wait. Brother. Like, everything's just fucked. Genuinely. Okay. Who is a moderately sized Oxford psychic? What's up? Oh, hey, Katya. How much of Further Pure overlaps with Core Pure? Decent amount. Keep it PG. My bad. Yeah. Differential equations definitely overlaps. It's kind of just more pure. Hi. Worst thing of Further Pure got me vectors. I like vectors. Did you further match GCSE? No. Okay, is equal to ln e to the t. D squared y by dt squared minus 5dy by dt plus 6y is equal to t. Fuck me, that took forever. Flip me. Sorry, YouTube chat. Hey, Arav. 180 out of 200, I get nice? What do you mean? Hit my first A star in paper 3 past papers. Nice, good job. Least favorite thing in Further Pure 1? I used to hate conic sections, but like I actually find it really fun now. Okay, general solution. Why is that 8 marks? Why on earth is that 8 marks? That's worrisome. That fills me with worry. Okay. C. Oh god. Ox equation. M squared minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. M minus 2. M minus 3 is equal to 0. General solution. Complementary function. Oh, please tell me I fucked that up. Let me just sub 2 into that. We're going to get 4 minus 10 plus 6. That works out. So we're going to get AE to the negative, to the 2t. T, young. Plus BE to the 3t. Okay, particular integral. Let y equal lambda t plus mu. Dy by dt is equal to lambda d squared y by dt squared is equal to 0. And we're gonna get so 0 minus, so negative 5 lambda plus 6 lambda t plus 6 mu is equal to 0. It's equal to lambda. I can't switch out for reset the A-level fairs. Why is this guy still doing pure? I have Further Pure on Friday. I thought lambda's physics. It's just an unknown. I low-key might have raised it, I guess, bro. You know, this guy was LARPing about, like, oh, I haven't revised it. Hey, yo, it's the day before. Can I revise all of Further Mech 1 in 2 days? Or Further Mech in 2 days? And I was like, no, you can't. You said you should have locked in. And he said, this guy's just trying to LARP, bro. Not fair, though. No, it's equal to t, not lambda. It's equal to t, not lambda. Okay, so I can say 6 lambda is equal to 1. Lambda is equal to 1 over 6. Negative 5 over 6 plus 6 mu is equal to 0. mu is equal to 5 over 36. Okay. So complementary function, general solution is going to be y is equal to a e to the 2t plus b e to the 3t plus t over 6 minus 5 over 36. Plus 5 over 36. Genuinely covered all of chapter 5 the day before the exam. Cambridge economist doesn't lie. Fairs. I'm doing CS with AI. Fairs. How do you find OOP? I found it solid. What do you think about further mechanics? I lost a couple marks on silly stuff. I got like 60. I found it really good. I think I got full marks in the paper. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know. I would say I actually really enjoy it. I think it's a really fun module. Okay, general solution in x. So x is equal to e to the t. So y is equal to ax squared plus bx cubed plus t is equal to ln x 1 over 6 ln x plus 5 over 36. And that should be my answer. Let's see if I fuck something up. I could have. Ooh, yeah. Full marks in that question, baby. Take it. Nice. Should put a hint shown here. Great stuff. So overall on the paper, we're gonna ignore the fact that I like low-key reminded myself how to do that. 1 hour 49. Yeah, I have extra time. I have extra time. Don't worry, Shaz. Are you gonna actually learn further stats after A levels? Maybe. I think so. Like, what else am I gonna do in my spare time? Also, I did check this. Let me check my proof real quick. My proof should be chill, right? Like, there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah. Plus ... Yeah, fine. Cool. So I'm sure that's one impressive. Thank you. I mean, it's usually a 1 hour 30. I think I want to learn further Pure 2, further Mech 2 during summer. Yeah, cool. I think same. Like, I don't know. We'll see what I do. I kind of want to do a lot of maths. I think it'd be cool. Okay. So the only marks I lost were here. So I lost 2 marks. 73 out of 75. That's a very solid paper. And it was a very silly mistake as well. I just wrote down a vector wrong. So 73. Good stuff. How do you extra time? I don't know. I got tested when I was younger. And it just followed through. We take that. Yeah, good stuff. Now, the question is, do we do a mechanics stream? What are you doing for uni maths at Oxford? 73 out of 75. I'll write that down. I don't know if I do any more maths after it. Further makes you, but I'd rather goon. So would we, bro. Did you get the paper in your Discord? Yeah, ask people there. That's sick. Yeah. Just gotta not fuck up now. What time are you going to sleep? I don't know. I'm a little bit tired now. I am pretty tired. But if you guys want it, we can do a mechanics stream. What do we think? Who wants an A-level mechanics stream now? We can do it. Further mechanics stream? A-level mechanics stream? Mech stream? We want a mech stream? Okay, I'm going to restart the YouTube stream, guys. Be ready to come back. I want to make sure that it's actually labeled correctly. But we're going to do a mechanics stream. We're going to do a mock set paper. We're going to do mock set 1. We're going to do it. It'll be 2 hours. It'll be like an hour and a bit. Let's get into it. We're going to restart the stream now. So, yeah.